Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Bookable. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Bookable, you can use our link in the description down below where you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, Bookable is an online rental software designed for businesses that rent out products, equipments, or services. So it helps streamline the rental process from inventory management to online bookings and payments. So now I'm going to have a tutorial for you guys on how to use this platform. So first, what you're going to do is to go to their website, bookable.com, and sign up for an account. And you can do it by clicking this one, start free trial. Or if you already have an account, you can just go directly click login, and yeah, that's it. So now I'm just going to go to click start free trial, and I'm going to be redirected to the sign up page. So right here on the sign up page, I'm going to just input my email address and also my password and also my company name. So let's say this is my company name, and after I'm done with this, I'm just going to click start free trial. Oh, I need to change my password first. And after that, I'm going to click free trial. And I need to, enter my contact details, my first name, and my country, and also the phone number. But it's only optional, so you don't have to necessarily do it. And after you're done with that, just click continue, and the bookable will ask you to tell them about tell them about your business. So the information will help them to prefer your workspace. So what industry does your company belong to? You just need to click the drop down button and choose what type of industry you're in. So for example, let's just say I'm selling clothings. And which products do you rent out? So what type of products you like to are you are renting out? So whether it's fashion items, maternity items, wedding suit, tuxedos, and etc., etc. So let's just choose a random one and click continue. And also you need to provide them when did you start your business. So just input all this information right here. What was the revenue of your rental operation, etc., etc. How many employees in your rental team? So after you're done choosing all of your options right here, just click continue, and right here the bookable will set up your account. And after you're done, you'll be redirected directly to your dashboard. So as you can see right here, it says your account is ready. So you can just start personalizing it. So you can tell them how you name your orders, customers, and documents. So you can just set it up whatever you want, but you can just state it as as default settings. So after that, just click enter your account, and you will be redirected right here on the dashboard. So as you can see, this is the dashboard, and actually the bookable will have steps on how to use. Will show you the steps how to exactly use bookable. So step one, you can just add your products, add your rental products, set up your pricing, and set up your security deposit, and set up your online store, create and fulfill orders, and accept payments. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can use bookable. And I'm going to go to them each by each. So first, add your products. So in the dashboard, you can go to products and add products. You can just click it right here, add a rental product. So after you click this one, you can just add a rental product. So after clicking it, you just need to input the product name. For example, I'm renting clothes. So, for example, I'm renting t-shirts. And right here, as you can see, you can change this picture. You can just the bookable will actually generate image based on the product name. And yeah, you can just scroll, or you know choose choose the photo that you want to show to your products. And you can insert, or you can set the product type, whether it's a rental product, sales item, or service. So let's just say it's a rental product, and you can choose whether it tracks individually or it tracks quantities. So let's say individually first, and after that, after setting up the product type, go to the pricing. So how much will be the rental? And after setting up the price, you can just enable variation if you want, but if you don't want it, you can just click save. And right after that, your first product will be added. And after that, click add stock items. So how many of that product is in your stock? So let's just say 20, add 20 stock items. So after done with that, as you can see, your products will be added right here, and it will be the stocks will be added right here. So I input 20, so the bookable will add 20 items on my inventory. So after you're done adding your products, you need to set up your pricing rules. So choose pricing methods: daily, hourly, weekly, or custom rates. And you can also add deposit requirements if you need customers to pay a security deposit. And in order to do that, just click on pricing. And right here, you can just set up the pricing of your products more more detailed. So you can add tax eligible for discounts, and also the security deposit value. You can add it right here. And also on the settings, if you click on settings, you can actually edit the general information of your product, and also the availability settings, also the image. If you don't want the AI generated image by Bookable, you can just upload the real image of your product right here. So now after you're done setting up your products and setting up your pricing rules, you can now go to enable your online bookings. And in order to do that, you just need to go to online store right here, and you need to customize your booking page. So in order to rent your have a rental business online on Bookable, you need to have an online store on Bookable. And right here, you can just go to online store, and right here you can edit your rental website. So Bookable will offer you a rental website builder so that you can just edit your website right here. And as you can see, you can add Bookable to another website just like WordPress, Shopify, Squarespace that function the same as Bookable. So yeah, that's it. So if you want help on creating your website, you can just go right here on this tab, and as you can see, it will show you how to edit page, how to edit menus, connect a domain, select a rental period, show availability, customize checkout, etc., etc., all of that. And right here, if you don't want to create a rental website on Scratch, actually, same thing with other website, Bookable offers themes that you can use and you can customize itself. So after you're done, you can just click browse themes and choose the theme of your website, rental website. And after you have chosen, you can just click install theme, and right here, as you can see, your current theme will be added, and you can just customize it if you want. So I'm not gonna show you how to customize it. You can just explore it by yourself, but I think it's just easy. So yeah, that's it. This is it. So after you're done customizing your website, you're done adding your products, rental products, adding or setting up the prices of your products. And after that, you also have your online bookings, and yeah, you're done. So the only thing left is to manage your orders, how to handle payments, track your inventory, use contracts and documents, and monitor your analytics on the dashboard, since the dashboard shows the overview of your website, the reports or the analytics of your website or your rental website. And yeah, so if you want to manage order, you can just go to orders right here, and it will show you the orders, or if you're ordering something from another website or another party inside Bookable. Yeah, you can you know manage them right here, and also the orders of your customers. So if someone orders from your website, they will be shown right here, and also the revenue of your the revenue of the orders, etc., etc. Yeah, you can manage them right here. And also for the customers, you can set up custom customers. So if so, for example, when customers book, their orders will appear in the order sections, and also their names. So you can add uh the you can add some certain names from customers, and you can add them right here. And maybe the system automatically checks inventory availability to avoid double bookings. And yeah, it's actually good. And also you can approve, modify, and reject bookings if you want, and you can do it right here on orders. So after that, after managing your orders and customers, of course, you need to handle payments. So you can connect payment gateways like Stripe, PayPal, or manual payments, so that if you want to accept payments, you need to have a payment gateway, so that your customers, when they're buying on your, or when they purchase a service or rental service on your website, they will uh, given a choice to pay on Stripe, PayPal, or manual payments, cash or bank transfer. So yeah, you can also do it right here. And right here on the online store, just click checkout, and yeah, that's it. So this is where you can add your payment gateways. So yeah, that's it. So that's actually how you can just use your Bookable. It's pretty much the same as Shopify, WordPress, etc., etc. That's how you can use Bookable. And also that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.